Hello everyone, this is my review of this portable cooling pack neck cooler. It's designed that you can fill it with water and put it in the fridge to have cool water in there, or you can put ice in there to cool it down so it can be cool for a number of hours. It's waterproof, or it doesn't leak when you put the water in there because it has a nice seal to it. You can get it in several different colors, pink, sky blue, gray, and bright purple. It's good for keeping yourself cool on like hot summer days, or just anywhere that you're exerting yourself, like doing sports or biking or something like that. You take it outside and you can keep it on your neck and keep yourself cool. This cooling pack is very useful, and I hope this review helped.